Welcome back to HB Car Reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 BMW M3, a car that continues to set benchmarks in the high-performance sedan category. With BM's latest design language, cutting-edge technology, and a thrilling driving experience, the new M3 is ready to impress enthusiasts and challenge competitors. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 M3 keeps the aggressive and sporty stance we've come to expect but refines it with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The large signature kidney grille remains but is now more integrated into the front fascia, flanked by slimmer laser headlights that give it a fierce, modern look. The sculpted hood with pronounced creases hints at the power underneath, while the flared wheel arches accommodate wider, lightweight alloy wheels for better grip and cornering stability. Around the back, a subtle rear lip spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and updated LED taillights complete the athletic yet premium appearance. BMW has also introduced new paint finishes, including bold metallics and matte options, allowing buyers to truly personalize their M3. Inside, the 2026 BMW M3 blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. The cabin is driver-focused, with a low seating position and a thick, contoured steering wheel wrapped in premium leather. The latest iDrive 9 infotainment system takes center stage, displayed on a large curved dual-screen setup that seamlessly combines the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen. This system supports advanced voice commands, wireless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates to keep features fresh. Carbon fiber accents, aluminum trim, and M-specific stitching add a sporty flair, while high-quality leather or optional Alcantara seats provide comfort and support even during spirited driving. The seats themselves are highly adjustable and can be fitted with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions, making the M3 suitable for both track days and long road trips. Performance is where the M3 truly comes alive. The 2026 model offers a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering an astonishing 535 horsepower in the competition variant, paired with either a precise 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.4 seconds in the Competition X Drive model, thanks to its intelligent all-wheel drive system that can switch to pure rear-wheel drive when you want maximum fun. BMW's adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering both comfort and razor-sharp handling. The steering is precise, the brakes are massive and responsive, and the exhaust note is aggressive yet refined, especially in Sport Plus mode. For those who crave customization, multiple drive modes let you fine-tune the engine response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and exhaust sound. BMW has also packed the 2026 M3 with the latest safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system come standard, while advanced options like semi-autonomous highway driving are available for those who want extra convenience. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M3 starts around $78,000 for the base model with rear-wheel drive, while the Competition X Drive version climbs closer to $90,000 depending on options. Fully loaded with premium packages, custom paint, and carbon ceramic brakes, it can push beyond the $100,000 mark. Considering the level of performance, technology, and luxury it offers, the M3 remains a strong value proposition against rivals from Mercedes-AMG, Audi RS, and even some exotic brands. Overall, the 2026 BMW M3 continues to embody the perfect blend of everyday usability and track-ready performance. It's a car that rewards the passionate driver while still providing all the comfort, technology, and safety features expected from a modern luxury sedan. Whether you're taking it to a racetrack or simply enjoying a spirited drive through winding roads, the new M3 delivers a thrilling and unforgettable experience. This has been HB Car Review, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW M3, stay tuned for more reviews on the world's most exciting cars.